Riwruok mar Kenya Redcross oketo kenge mag kedo gi masira mapoya manyalo geng' gi koth mapek ma igeno ni dhi chue e pachoka. Jagoro mar Kenya Redcross Dr. Ahmed Idris owacho ni koro ma osegol gi bad migao mar Kenya Meteorological Department osenyiso maler ni Kenya nyalo bedo gi koth mathoth ma kidek kelo midhiero. Redcross oyango ni giseketo apisas magi e gwenge kod keto kenge mamoko kaka mago mag kony ne ji manyalo yudo midhiero. Kony makamago oriwo koda ka kony mag chiemo.
We have shining even in the national platform.
As you are aware that the Kenya Meteorological Department has given us a forecast for the next season, which is going to be an above normal rainfall, what is known in common language as an El Nino phenomena. The El Nino phenomena has both a negative component and a positive one. Positive in the sense that in areas that traditionally do not receive sufficient rainfall might have good rainfall to be able to plant and benefit from that planting. So as a society, we're also trying to support the communities to plan for that. In some of the areas in the eastern, we will be doing some distribution for seed so that the farmers can benefit from that. And in the areas that are likely to be inundated by the waters and influence, be influenced by the floods, we will be working with the communities, and we have started working with the communities to prepare for those disasters by increasing the knowledge around how to deal with emergencies around water, how to evacuate safely, and more recently the government of Kenya has coordinated all other stakeholders, including ourselves, to plan better for any eventual risks that might arise out of the increased rainfall.